Now, good morning, dear student. Welcome to the science online class. So, dear student, as I have, we all have completed the short question answer from chapter 11. So, today I am going to explain the long question answer of chapter 11. So, please take out your science book and science notebook. Okay. Now, see the question. Question is, now answer the following question, and the question is how do we see things. हम लोग किसी भी थिंग्स को कैसे देखते हैं. तो द मोर थिंग, द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज स्टूडेंट की जैसे लाइट जो होती है, लाइट किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. ठीक है, वो लाइट है, मीन्स दिस इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट और ये लाइट इस पे रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है. ये रिफ्लेक्ट होकर सीधे बाउंस करता है और ये हमारे आईज को फिर ये ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो दिखता है. ठीक है, वो लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट करके हमारे इट बाउंसेस टू आवर आईज. ओके, तो इस तरीके से हम लोग किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को देख सकते हैं. तो राइट डाउन द आंसर्स. आंसर नंबर 1. Answer number 1 is when light falls on the object, okay, it bounces back, okay, and reaches our eyes. Okay, that is how we see the objects. Okay, so write down. Done, student. Now answer number 2. Okay, answer number 2 is what do you mean by force? Okay, and what changes can a force bring? So what do you mean by force? So force is a push or pull that causes an object to move on stop moving. मीन्स वो जो है पुल और पुश करके किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम लोग मूव करते हैं. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द फोर्स. ओके, सो राइट डाउन आंसर नंबर 2. अ पुल और push, a pull or push that causes an object to move or to change its shape or direction, shape or direction is called force. Okay, is called force. And the next is what changes can a force bring? Okay, what changes can a force bring? So force helps us to wait. First you write down this answer. Okay, sorry, you write down this. Pull or push that causes an object to move or to stop or to change its shape or direction is called force. Okay. Okay, now what changes a force can bring? So force can bring the following changes. Okay, number one is change the direction of a moving object. Okay, change the direction of a moving object or change the shape of an object. Okay, फोर्स जो है उसमें क्या चेंजेस वो लाता है? तो फोर्स जो है बेटा, फोर्स कैन चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अ मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट. किसी भी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट का डायरेक्शन वो चेंज कर सकता है फोर्स. एंड ऑल्सो चेंज द शेप ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, शेप ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स जब आपके पास डो होता है, मीन्स आटा जो होता है गोल राउंड, उसको जब आप रोटी बनाते हो तो वो फोर्स से ही आपकी मदर्स उसको वो बड़ी सी रोटी बनाती है, तो उसका शेप चेंजेस होते हैं. So that is, here is that. Okay. Done, student? Okay, now answer number 3rd. Okay, answer number 3rd. Answer number third is, how is a shadow formed and does the shadow remain same at all times? Shadow is formed on the opposite sides of the light, sources of light. जो भी light होती है उसके opposite side में shadow formed होता है. तो does the shadow remain same at all the times? तो no, shadow does not remain same at all the times, है ना. तो write down how is shadow formed. तो shadows are formed, always formed. Shadows are always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Okay, source of light. Okay, this is the first answer. And the second answer is, does the shadow remain same at all time? So no, the shadow does not remain, it is E, does not remain same, does not remain same at all times. Okay, shadows are always found on the opposite side of the source of light. Okay, and no, the shadows does not remain same at all times. So do it now, student. Question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, do it fast. Okay, student, now question number 6.1 is, give reason for the following. Okay, give reason for the following. Okay, for the following. Number one is, a moving ball stops. A moving ball stops after why a moving ball stop after some time. So you are going to give the reason why. So due to friction, ठीक है, अगर बॉल अगर मूव कर रहा हो और मूव करते करते कुछ देर बाद वो क्या हो जाता है, स्टॉप हो जाता है, तो ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन. ओके, so moving ball stops after some time. Here you are going to write down due to friction. Okay, due to friction. Number 2, the shape of the shadow, the shape of the shadow changes from time to time. Okay, so here also why, so due to, okay, this is the answer, due to changes, due to changes in the position, due to changes in the position of the sun. और सन की जगह पे आप लाइट भी लिख सकते हो, एनी लाइट, तो बट आई हैव रिटन सन. ओके, ड्यू टू चेंजेस. Here is the answer is due to friction and here is due to changes in the position of the sun. Okay, आप sun की जगह पे due to position of any light भी लिख सकते हो. Okay, so these are all about chapter 11 question answer. Okay, so today I have also completed this question answer of chapter 11. So do it fast. Okay student, now tomorrow I will take the class through Google Meet at 10 a.m. Okay, and we will start the chapter 12 and the topic chapter 12 air water. Okay, हम लोग कल उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे through Google Meet. So till then keep practicing and learning and please complete your work on time. So bye, take care.